box if anyone can see. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Azraa and today I'm going to be talking to you about the new beauty brand called Tropic, which I'm now an ambassador for. So I thought I'd do an unboxing session with you guys of all the cute and fabulous stuff that I got, and I'm just so excited to share with you all. Tropic is a beauty brand that is co-owned by Alan Sugar and Susie Mard, and I'm going to start with my essential skincare. Isn't it cute? With this little packaging, super cute. You get your essentials, so you get the ABC products, which is your cleanser, your toner, and your moisturizer. A soothing cleanser. I've been using this cleanser for maybe like 6 months now, and I love it. It hydrates your face. It feels amazing on your skin, if I'm honest. And can we just take a note of the packaging? It's so cute, and it pops out like that. Super cute. And you've got your toner, which I really love. It's a vitamin toner, and you spray it. It can be used as a setting spray for makeup as well. It's just meant to tighten your skin and give your skin that vitamin C that it lacks. You get the Skin Feast, which is your moisturizing cream. It's very concentrated, and all of these products you can get in a scented and unscented version. If you've got sensitive skin, it's probably best that you get the unscented version. It's important to remember that the reason why Tropic isn't sold in stores because they're 100% natural ingredients, and that means they will go off within a set date. I believe all the products have a expiry date at the bottom for when you've got to use them by, but it can't be stored, and that's particularly why it's sold only on their website. I've been using the cleanser and the eye cream and the face mask for a really long time. I'm very familiar with this brand. I think there's a few other bits like the lipsticks and stuff that I have. I love the packaging. The packaging's so pretty, so pretty. And these, I believe, are serums, so I'll show you. This is my favorite, and I use this as well. So if I just pop it open, ta-da! This is a serum that I use. It's called the Blue Lagoon, and it's a blemish preventing serum, and it's really good. It's blue because it has blue spirulina in it. Like I said, guys, all the ingredients are natural. I used this for quite a while, and I saw immediate brightness to my face, and the discoloration in my face in some parts start to even out just within a few days. So I feel like it's definitely worth a buy. The other serum I have it's called Super Green. Ta-da! And it's green. This one is a nutrient boost in oil, so I think it's the serum you can put on top of any of the others, just as a final layer. It's the last thing you do in your skincare routine with this brand, just to tie it all in together and just give yourself an extra boost. It smells like not veg, but like a lot of there's vitamin C in here, tamanu, kale, and broccoli seed oils. And it smells like that. And on top of your skincare collection, you also get the Clear Skin face mask. That's a blemishing fighting face mask. There is 2 other face masks that they do. This is the one, Clear Skin. They do a hydration mask, and they also do a brightening face mask. I love these. These are very good. You've got to have them on for at least this one's 10 to 20, but the other one's 20 to 30 minutes long. So I feel like super refreshed after I use them. These are the other 2 masks that I thought I'd show you. Deep hydration, and the other one is the brightening, but it's more like it's facelift. Yeah, it is brightening and tightening face mask. I've used this one like every week or every 2 weeks. I try and use this one. I have not yet used that one, but I will do, and I'm really excited to use them. They are super hydrating. You've got to put them in the fridge once you open them, and they go off within 6 months, so you've got to use them. Come with a little spatula, which I have here. Little spatula that you can use to put them on. You keep them in the fridge as well, guys, because they're better cold, and it helps soothe your face a lot more as well. A bit like the smoothing cleanser, you can also get the Clear Skies cleanser, and it's a powder form which you mix in with a bit of water and use it that way. You can always use this after using the smoothing cleanser, which is more of it's a creamy texture. If you wanted to get that extra cleansing, that's also great. This has encapsulated plant enzymes, blue spirulina, and rice powder, which is why it's that bluey, it's that kind of color, it's a grayish bluey color. So they've sent me the Skin Dream, which is an age-defying firming cream concentrated, and I think you use this at night. This I haven't tried yet and I really want to. This also has plant ceramides, bioretinol and murumuru butter, so I'm excited to try that. It's good for you mums. They also have an exfoliator which they sent me. It's called Face Smooth. It's a brightening polish. It's a good exfoliator. It's got ackee berry in extract, macadamia oil and bamboo silica in it. You use it once a week. With exfoliating, I would always say use it once a week unless you're not used to exfoliating your skin, and if you're quite oily it would be twice a week. But this smells, it all smells super fresh. It smells fresh and clean, if that even makes sense. The toner is probably my favorite smelling thing ever. It makes me feel so fresh and awake. I love it. And these are the other serums that they have. Rainforest Dew. I've not used this one yet. And it's in a light green bottle, and it's a hydration vial. Hydration serum. You need to hydrate your face. This is great. I think I will start using this because I can feel certain parts around my skin getting quite dry, especially around my lash lines. It smells like a rainforest. I can confirm it does actually smell like a rainforest. So this is Glowberry. It's a brightening serum with vitamin C, super berries, kangaroo paw, flower extract. That's how it looks up close. It smells sweet. I like this one. It smells like berries. I'm excited to try all of these serums. Bear in mind though guys, you need to try them bit by bit. You can't just overload yourself with loads of products, which I will find hard to do because I want to try everything. It's in a nice little white bottle. This is a resurfacing serum with papaya enzymes, Australian lime, pearl extract, and AHA fruit complexes. This is good. I would say this is an overnight serum. I love these bottles, guys. Let's smell this one. I typically have a different daytime skincare routine than to my nighttime routine. Oh, I love the way this smells. It smells so sweet. Like papaya. It just smells so fruity. This is very good for like peeling back all those dead skin cells, you know. So all of the serums I've just shown you so far all can be used, and then you can put the super green, which is the green elixir, the green serum on top, and that ties it all together. The only two combinations you cannot use are the Glowberry, which is a red one, and Blue Lagoon together. Those two serums cannot work because they have active ingredients and will work against each other. Instead of using super green, you can use the alternative, the Tropic Elixir, which I think is just stronger and it has more essential oils and it's more hydrating. Age-defying omega oil with moringa, pomegranate and organic rose hip seed oils. So it's a lot more concentrated. It will nourish your skin a lot better than super green. Super green is more of the lighter version of it, if you will. The packaging, I think it's so cute. I think it shows how environmentally friendly all of these products are. Even as a gift to give someone, I think all this packaging is so cute. We have this little packet here, and it's the eye brightening collection with the eye cream that I was talking to you guys about. See how cute it is. Oh, it comes with the eye cream, and then they've given me the eye dream, which is the more concentrated night version of that. So this is the eye cream that I've been using for a while. It's really good. It's got vitamin C in it, coffee cherry extract and hibiscus peptides. It's a rejuvenating serum, so you can use it as many times in the day that you want, and it has a nice little concrete tip which is really cold, which will help soothe your eyes and helps get rid of the dark circles, helps with puffiness, especially in the morning. I used to use this a lot in the morning when I was going to work, and I would keep it in my bag. It's just really small and compact, so you can just take it anywhere and everywhere with you. It's just good for a pick-me-up. I feel instantly refreshed when I use it. Definitely worth having another one of these. They've got the Tropic Eye Dream, which is the night eye cream. Oh, it's so cute. Look how cute that pot is. So I've actually been using this the last few nights. It's like a butter balm type of eye cream, if you can see. I've been using this for the last few nights, and honestly I'm seeing a difference in my eyes, like the fine lines are kind of going away a little bit. Like it was quite dry, and that's why I had a lot of fine lines around my eyes underneath, and especially because I've been sleeping quite late, it's definitely helped hydrate my eyes through the night. Not heavy, it doesn't feel heavy, it's just a nice buttery texture on your skin. It doesn't feel like heavy at all, so I would definitely recommend that. I'm going to continue using that and we'll see how we go. Final product I need to show you guys is the Body Smooth. Again, look how cute this little pouch is. I love this kind of stuff. I just feel like it's very tropical. So a little bit of background information about this body scrub is Susie Ma, the founder, this was her very first product that she created when she was 15 years old, and she used to sell this in Greenwich Market, which is like my local market. Oh, isn't it the cutest little pot ever? So it's like a body exfoliator basically. It's made with Australian lemon myrtle, I think I said that right, I'm not sure, golden jojoba and macadamia nut oils. Oh, it just smells lush. That's how it looks, guys. That is probably way too close to the camera, I'm so sorry. You scrub it on your body when your body is dry everywhere, and then you just simply go into the shower and wash it all off. And it's a body polish, so you'll end up feeling like so smooth. It's got loads of oils in it. Really excited to try this product actually. I think it might be nice before you take a bath. That's kind of what I was thinking. Yeah, this was her founding product when she was 15 years old. That's insane. But that was literally, so all of the products that I received. So guys, a few more things about Tropic that I just wanted to put in here is that it has amazing ethics as a company. They are cruelty free and vegan friendly as well. You know, currently donating a lot of its profits to help and support the NHS, help fund the making of hand sanitizers, as well as that they've also in long term been helping make schools in third world countries for children. They do a lot of amazing things for charity, you know, and I definitely would recommend looking into it if you guys are interested. It's one of the reasons that I'm very proud to be an ambassador for this company. They're great for us and they're also great for the charities they support. I will go through the ingredients and the product items in more depth, maybe in a few other videos. I just kind of wanted to open them up and kind of give you a little basis about the company and show you how cute the packaging is. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I really hoped you liked this little unboxing video. It's my first time doing this unboxing situation, and I just felt like maybe I had one too many products on it. Tropic also has a 30-day return policy, so even if you don't like the products or they're not for you, you can always return them without question. That's how much they believe in their products. It's also currently free delivery, so I would definitely recommend. I will pop the link down below for you guys. There's loads of offers with the skincare collection with the ABC products that I showed you guys in the beginning, which was all the stuff in this big bag here, so I will link them for you as well. I just think they're totally worth it, worth a try, definitely worth a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more unboxing type videos, then put that in the comments too, and I love doing that, so I will. Comment and subscribe. Press the bell button if you want to get notifications about my next video. I hope this has worked out well and okay. Stay indoors, have your vitamins, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye.